We got good news. Dun da da da! Current Performance wiring showed up today. I was not expecting this to ship till the 23rd of January. Here we go. Let's do a little unboxing of this. I'm so excited, y'all. I've been waiting for this thing. I don't know if y'all can see it. 10-3. That's when I ordered this mug. Get out the old buck knife. Please be good instructions in here. Yep. Way to remind me how much it hurt my feelings to pay for this. I got things to read. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, man. I've been waiting on this box so long, I'm nervous to take it out because I don't want to damage it. Where to even start? I'm guessing here. Man, everything is labeled. I might be able to figure this out, y'all. Look at this. Gauge temp. Power distribution. That's easy. This looks so fancy. Okay. Wow. This part right here is why I bought this. This plugs directly in to the fuse box that's on the firewall. And this is what's gonna make this plug and play right here. And everybody's like, no it won't, blah, blah, blah. Well, we're gonna find out together. And then all y'all gonna have to shut the hell up. This is my OBD2 port? Or is that one? I don't know, y'all tell me. What is that? What is that? OBD port. I was correct. Could have probably just read the label that they gave me. This is my throttle body, which I can't figure out. Why Summit sends you a throttle body and then the two accessories, but not the screws to put it in, doesn't make sense to me. Summit. Maybe that was Jigs. I might be talking shit to the wrong company. All right, y'all. So it begins.